In this guide, I'm going to explain about the age requirement for creating a Target account and how can you sign up. To create a Target account, you must meet Target's eligibility requirements. In general, you need to be at least 18 years old or the age of majority in your state or region to create an account and make purchases on Target's website or mobile app. If you meet the age requirement, open the Target app on your iPhone or Android device or visit the official website of Target. Then, click on the profile icon and select the option Sign in or Create Account. Now you will need to type in your email address. After you type in that, click on Continue. Next, enter your first name and last name, a valid email address, create a strong password, and provide a phone number if requested. Review terms and conditions of Target, check in for those options as well. Then click on Create Account. Now you will be prompted to verify your phone number or email address. After you do that, your account will be created. If you don't meet the minimum age requirement, you will need to wait until you are eligible to create your own Target account or ask a parent or a legal guardian to make purchases on your behalf. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.